Hi, hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be a Pink Parcel unboxing. So this is what it looks like. It arrived yesterday. You can see that there's different boxes and then you've got a little pouch in the middle, which I'll show you when I put this down. So before I show you what's inside the box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. Pink Parcel is a beauty subscription box, and it's a bit of a different box because it's a period box. So it's a ladies box, and you can choose the actual sanitary protection you want yourself. Online, you get to choose whether you want tampons or pads or a mix of both. You also get to choose the date that coincides with the actual period. So then the aim is to receive the box a couple of days beforehand, and that date can be changed anytime that needs to be, easily online. You also get to choose the brands of your products as well. So if there's a particular brand that you always opt for in the shops, then you might find it on Pink Parcel. So inside the box you receive all the sanitary protection that you need for a week. So my periods can be quite heavy, and I find that I have got enough here for me to last me my whole week. So it means no going out the shop and buying any extras, because what Pink Parcel send me covers it all, so it's really handy. Also in the box you get beauty treats, so it's not just sanitary protection, you get a box of beauty treats, and the box always outweighs the cost of the box, which I haven't told you yet. The cost of the box is £12.99, and you are free to cancel, so whenever you want really. There might be a particular date you have to cancel before, but generally if you want to stop your subscription or pause it, then you are free to do so. You're not tied in for a 12-month subscription, etc. So no, I'll link all those down below anyway, so if you want to take a look you can have a look down there. So inside this box is something a little bit different. I've never received it before. So it's a free post envelope, and it's a little card here which I think is absolutely amazing. Want to give back to those who really need it. Let's fight period poverty. It's because we're all different. The amount of sanitary protection we use is an individual thing, you know. Some people might have loads of pads or tampons left over, and some people like me don't. But if you do have a lot left over, then this is absolutely wonderful. What they're saying is to put any of your extras that you won't use into this bag, send it off, and this will be sent out to people that really need it. So it says here, simply pop any unopened and unused tampons or pads into the prepaid postage bag we've included and send it back to us for free. We'll get them distributed to our local charity partners and into the hands of those in need. So I think that's such a brilliant idea, definitely. So on to the box itself. As you saw, it's different compartments. So the first box is a for later box. So I've chosen tampons. No, I haven't. I've chosen pads. I only choose tampons if I know I've got a holiday coming up or something. I generally just prefer towels, well, whether you wanted to know that or not, it's a different thing, isn't it? But anyway, I chose towels, and so in here are the selected brand I've chosen, and there's selection in there. Then I've also got a 4-night box. So in here you've got larger towels, or pads, whatever you prefer to call them. So they're the bigger ones. And then in this gorgeous little pouch, which is so handy to pop in your bag, you've got more day towels, and you've got some panty liners as well. So yeah, so plenty of protection there for you. And then this box is the For You box, and in here is all the beauty treats. So this is the exciting part. Yes, it's great to have the sanitary protection, don't get me wrong, but in here is all the treats. I've just opened it and I'll show you first. Woo! But what I've noticed is I haven't got a Pink Parcel Post. Normally I get a little booklet. Every single Pink Parcel you get a little booklet, and inside it tells you a bit of a lowdown about this month's theme, and also it goes into detail of the products, how much they cost, whether it's a full size or not, and it tells you a little bit about them, you know, and how to use them, etc. But I haven't been sent one. I'm going to be emailing them afterwards and see if they can pop out a little leaflet for me, just because I want to know. And it makes it easier for me to search up the products because it has their websites and stuff on that leaflet. So I am going to give it a go though. I am going to search for the beauty products and I will link it down below. So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, I'll just carry on and I'll just show you what I got. So the first item Oh, it's a drink. In every Pink Parcel you always get a sweet treat, like a chocolate or something sweet anyway, and then you get a drink, so like a tea bag or something. So this is a chai latte. Oh, I like this. Normally you get a tea bag. This is the first time I've had a coffee. So this is a drink me chai, and it's a spiced chai latte. Just add milk or water. Ooh. It says here we donate a percentage of our profits to Pratham, a charity helping disadvantaged children in India to read. So next item, Anatomicals. We've had quite a few Anatomicals in Pink Parcel. I've never had this before. Sud the lot of you. Get lost grind body cleanser. That's what that looks like. So this is a little sample sachet, and it's a 12ml sachet, and it says, oh, marvellous mango and papaya. Oh, that'll smell gorgeous. Drivers who deliberately zoom through puddles and soak you. 6'4" people in top hats who sit in the movie theatre seat in front of you. To all these and more, Anatomicals invites you to say, sud the lot of you, and shower with this relaxing gel. Then chuck the tube at the next idiot who annoys you. I like this style. No, I can't wait to try that. So it smells good. I love fruity type things. Absolutely love it. Ooh, what is, oh, it's different. Oh, that's nice. It's Dr. Botanicals, and we had a Dr. Botanicals vegan body bar from, I think it was Pink, from Look Fantastic last month. So when I first saw it, I thought, oh no, not another one. But even though I loved it, I absolutely love it. It's a poppy seed one, but no, it's nice that it's a bit different. So this is a coconut oil rejuvenating body exfoliating bar. Oh, that's what the outer packaging looks like. The other one is absolutely gorgeous, very, very lemony, and oh, I love it. And it is coconut. I love coconut as well. Oh, nice. Lather up in the bath or shower using your hands and rinse thoroughly. I can't remember how much it cost. I think it's something like £15. I'm not sure. I'll have a look. So now I'm really happy with that. This item is a Noah Bay natural and organic orange juice hand cream. I'm obsessed with orange. Citrus, orange and lemon, but oh, I love orange. Regenerative hand cream, and this is 35ml. And it's specially formulated hand cream with shea butter to give hydration and keep moisturised hands. Orange extract, chamomile and aloe vera extracts keep your hands revitalised, soft, and will help the skin on your hands regenerate. Very suitable to use on nails. You will feel moisturised skin and free oil sensation on hands. Oh, the English isn't that great, but it's fine, I understood it. I'm not sure where it originates from. But no, let's have a go, shall we? Let's have a smell. There's no seal thing on it. Oh, I hope it's going to be lovely, because I absolutely adore citrusy smells. It does, it literally smells like I've just opened an orange and the zest is squirted everywhere in my hands. Oh, I love it. I really love it. Feels okay. I have had better hand lotions. There's a little bit of a tackiness going on, but it feels okay. It's not bad. Oh, I love it. That smell. Next item. Oh, it's our sweet treat, and we've had these before. It's Conscious, and it's organic raw chocolate with 85% cocoa solids, the dark side, free from dairy, soya and gluten, naturally sweetened with agave nectar, and it's vegan. So it's a little sample chocolate there. Next item is a Laritzi Cosmetics. We have a lot of Laritzi Cosmetics in different sub boxes. Oh wow, it's a lip pencil. The colour is stunning. What is the shade? What's it called? Berry Pretty. Oh, there, can you see there? It's like a shimmery purple, like a metallic purple. Ooh, let's see, I'll use it on this hand. Oh, it's nice. I really like that. Yeah, you can see there's different shades to the different lights. Hopefully you can see there. Can you see? Not too sure. But no, it's a really nice colour, and it's a colour that I use. No, it's really pretty, so no, chuffed to have that. I think this is about £15 as well. From memory, I might be wrong. So last item is it's a sachet of, it's opiate. We've had an opiate body scrub before. So this is Nourishing and Hydrating Face Mask. Ooh, it must be like a little paper mask or something. It's really small. Look at the size of that. Just fits in my palm. So this is marshmallow root, English hemp and activated charcoal. So vegan, sustainable and organic and 100% natural. Ooh, mixed, oh, it's a powder. Mix the powder with a little warm water to form a paste, then gently massage into your skin. Leave up to 10 minutes, then rinse. There, the body scrub's quite nice. I think it's like a coffee one. Very messy, very messy. And I didn't like it on my face because it left like a bit of a film, but on my body it was quite nice. So now I'll be excited to try that. A bit of powder, mixing it up. So that was all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 7 items, which is what we normally get. And 1 is a sweet treat and 1 is a drink, so we've got a coffee this time, which is quite nice. Yeah, and we've got some beauty items. So my favourite by far, I think, is going to be this bar. I just love a nice coconut exfoliating bar, and I love the last one I had last month, so I am looking forward to trying that. That lip liner is really nice as well. And that hand cream, even though it's not the best type of hand cream I've tried, the smell is just adorable. And then we've got 2 little samples there, so excited to try those as well. All quite fruity, nice smelling things that I love. So yeah, not a bad box, not a wow box I don't think for me this month. Hopefully I will get to find and seek out those items so I can write them in the description for you. So if you enjoyed this video, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And I've got Betty Box come in, which I haven't had for a couple of months. So I've got Betty Box come in. I've got 2 new subscription boxes that the brands have kindly given to me in exchange for a review on my channel, and I can't wait to try them and to show you. So that's coming sometime as well in the next couple of weeks. And I've got some makeup reviews as well. So yeah, lots and lots. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.